Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see it from the title, in this video I'm going to show you how I trim my hair by myself at home. Very unprofessionally done, and I won't recommend any one of you to try this. And I apologize for the quality of the video. I know the lighting is very bad, but many of you were requesting this video. So yeah, let's get started. So this is my current hair length. I have mid-thigh length hair. It's been a quite long time since I had a last trim, and my ends looks very thin and has lots of split ends. I'm planning to cut this much, but yeah, let's see. I'm starting by taking a center partition to make two equal sections, and that's the toughest thing that I can never do, making a perfect center partition. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Is there anyone like me? Can you see the concentration here? Oh my god, the struggle is real, guys. So after dividing my hair into two equal sections, I'm going to smooth out my hair to remove any tangles. After combing out my hair, I'm going to tie an elastic here to keep it straight, and it makes it easier to cut the ends. I'm just smoothing out my hair with my fingers, and yeah, just a straight cut. That's it. This is how my hair looks after the trim. I ended up cutting like 2 to 3 inches just to get rid of the split ends. This method doesn't give you a perfect straight cut, so I'll be trimming my hair after 2 months. This year I'm going to be more consistent and going to trim my hair every 2 months. So stay tuned for that. Please do subscribe to my channel for more hairstyle videos and haircare videos. If you have any video requests, please write it down in the comment section and give this video a big like. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.